guys, welcome to Lavon's Divine Touch. So today I want to go over this Smart Fresh hand shower with stop button, white sink hose, male threader adapter with water washer. Excuse me. I also want to mention that it came with this free shampoo bowl, and I think that is so cool because I didn't even know I was getting that. Maybe I should have raised it just a little bit. Maybe it's different. I got this from Smart Fresh. So as a mobile stylist, or even if you're just at home and you don't have a thing, I got this on Amazon. You can look in the description box below. I will leave the link down there. So it's real easy. It's got this little plastic tip on it. You just screw that part on there and then you screw it into your sink, and then you have like, oh wow, stop, go, stop, go. It's easy for when you're doing clients' hair, if you're a caregiver, if you're a nurse, if you're a stylist. You just hook it in there and you screw that onto your sink. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.